Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So आज है day 3 in Kodaikanal and we are staying in hotel HolidayHomeResort. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, I was not able to vlog yesterday because it was raining heavily like cats and dogs. So neither did we go out. Now we were able to explore. We were just chilling in our rooms doing nothing. Of course, so in the late afternoon we were just watching movie Bang Bang because it's my favorite. So but that's it. They have a small playroom kind of thing, so we were playing chess, carom. So that's how we spent our day yesterday. But yeah, today मौसम थोड़ा सा खुला हुआ है, so I have booked a cab over here. I'm not taking my car because due to little bit of language problem and unknown roads, so I have booked a cab because I think that's more efficient and good in terms of time, because of course the driver is from Kodaikanal, so he knows right where the places are and what all to see at what point of time. So he's going to take us along. So yeah, he'll be coming at around 9:30. Now the time is 8:45. We had our breakfast. Breakfast was good. It was, I think, almost South Indian breakfast. Idli, pongal, uttappa and all sort of that. It was good. So yeah, breakfast is done. Now just we are waiting for cab to come. Guys, I want to tell you one thing about this property where we are staying, HolidayHomeResort. See, the resort is absolutely fab, no doubt in that. Full lush greenery everywhere. There's a stream which is flowing over there, and of course the swings over there, like the ones which we have in on dhabas. So I mean, that's nice, but as far as the room infrastructure or maintenance is concerned, it's kind of average, I would say, because since it's a long weekend, the crowd here was almost more, I think 150 people. That's what the manager said. And I think since the crowd is more, the hotel management is not able to bear that crowd, because the thing is, when we checked in yesterday, the room provided was clean, but they didn't provide us towels. So I almost told them, the waiter and the concerned person 5-6 times, but still it's day 2 over here in this property, still the towel hasn't come. So it's kind of poor. Of course, thank God that we carried our own towels and we were able to use that, but this is what it lacks. So either they should increase their hospitality, or I don't know, it's up to them what they have to do, so I can't comment on that. But yeah, rest everything is good. So the best thing which I like is the view. I mean, the scenery is kind of photogenic. So yeah, and that's our villa. It's basically a colonial style villa, so it's good. I mean, ठीक है यार, what more can you expect, so yeah, that's it. So we'll be going now, as I said, and I might not be carrying my camera because मौसम, it's almost cloudy, so I think there are chances of rains, so I don't want my camera to get wet. Of course, I'm carrying my smartphone, so if I get little bit space and good weather, of course I'll be making a vlog out there, but I can't guarantee. Sorry and excuse me for that. So that's it. So I'll see you once I get back to the property. Till then, bye.
We are going. तो हम जब रास्ते से जा रहे थे, we came across this shop called as Jas. So they are selling pretty good items, जैसे कि homemade chocolate, spices, condiments, some various types of oils. So अगर आप कोडाईकनाल आ रहे हो, do check their shop. So he is with me, so he's handling this shop, so he'll tell specifications about his shop. So can you just tell?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello everybody, we are talking from Princess of Hills, Kodaikanal. I'm talking from the Jaws Oils and Spices, Pambarpuram, and we have good quality of all, 90% of all eucalyptus oil, lemongrass oil, these all kind of oils, and pure spices, organic spices with oil, and you get a good quality of honey and better products of this tea powders, green tea and aloe vera gel, creams, face packs, scrub, everything. And this everything we used to sell and genuine and concentrated. We won't dilute anything. And in this shop you want again also, we'll send you the parcel all over India. Thank you.
So the good thing is they are not just selling here in Kodaikanal, but they are shipping it all across India, right?
Yeah.
All across India. Maybe they might be charging some nominal fee, but that's okay. घर बैठे आपको सब मिलता है. So yeah, do check out their shop. So. So we just reached this place called Silent Valley, and guys, just hold on for a sec. Let me show you the view out here. Here you go. Check out the view. Oh my god. Oh, she has already started climbing. How's the view?
Superb.
Okay.
Come over here.
This is the last point of Berijam forest, and that's nothing but a lake view. So that's the lake. So that's the lake over there. And one thing to tell is, these all trees which you can see are all medicinal trees. यहाँ जो खुशबू आती है वो it's either of eucalyptus or clove and all those medicines. So we just came in this pine forest. Just look at the view, guys. It's so beautiful. guys. So the time now is 11 o'clock. So we started from our resort at around 10 o'clock. It was raining, so we drove kind of slowly because it's a ghat road. And look at this view. This is known as Silver Cascade Waterfalls. While coming, I was not able to show because it was very crowded and police were also not allowing cars to stop. So but now since we got an opportunity, I would like to show this. See how beautiful it looks. Whether it's day or night, it still has its own charm. So have a look. So as I said, it's 11 o'clock. I think by the time we reach Dindigul town, it will be 1 o'clock. And then as usual, the expressway will start. So I think we should reach Bangalore somewhere around 8-9 o'clock. If we take some loo breaks and tea, chai breaks, or maybe a small breakfast break. So that's it. So this is the last spot while leaving Kodaikanal. So we are just saying bye-bye to Kodaikanal. That's the view.